बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम। कंप्यूटर के 200 क्वेश्चंस में से 50 क्वेश्चन हम सॉल्व कर चुके हैं पहली वीडियो में। आज हम इस वीडियो में और 50 क्वेश्चन हल करेंगे। 51 से शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 है, फिजिकल पार्ट ऑफ कंप्यूटर आर कॉल्ड हार्डवेयर। सॉफ्टवेयर अ सेट कंप्यूटर परफॉर्म इंस्ट्रक्शन सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर। वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट पीसी सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी Microsoft. Chairman of Microsoft, Bill Gates. Computer operating system of Microsoft, Windows. Actual machine of computer is commonly known, hardware. Tangible devices of computer are called hardware. Program run on computer commonly known as software. Most common type of computer operating system software. Two broad categories of software: system and application. Windows operating system was developed in 1985. Collection of simple facts is called data. Collection of organized facts is called information. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, MS Excel program is best for calculation. MS Word program is best for letters. Scroll bar is used for page adjustment. Taskbar is horizontal bar or at the bottom of desk. Bar that displays name of opened file is called title bar. Bar allow to view different areas of large window. Scroll bar. Keyboard are embossed characters. Braille keyboards. Braille keyboards are used for visually impaired. Mouse for physical handicapped people. Mouse. Unit of frequency, hertz. Unit of resistance, ohm. Path of an electric current, circuit. Data travels in computer along with circuit. Device oppose flow electric current, resistor. Workplace where important tools are located, desk place. Next question है, one on startup of computer first screen page appear desktop. All the programs and files listed for user in start menu. Area display time, data and date and volume setting, notification area. Option provide information about device, my computer. A drivers is a part of computer, memory. Recycle bin display all the delete files. Maximum minimums buttons used to change the size of the windows. USB device stores more data than optical storage device. Magnet storage disk of thin plastic, floppy disk. An electric carries charge, negative. Tube behind TV screen, CRT. Computer work like human brain. Speed of printer is measured in ppm. Speed of dot matrix printer is measured in character per second. Speed of line printer is measured in line per minute. Dot matrix printer is also called करेक्टर प्रिंटर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ड्रम प्रिंटर एंड चेन प्रिंटर वर लाइन प्रिंटर। ऑल द आउटपुट प्रिंटर ऑन paper is called hard copy. Printer uses light to transfer image on paper. Laser printer, dot matrix printer or impact printer. Number of computer screen pixel determine resolution. Pointing device is called mouse. नेक्स्ट 50 क्वेश्चन हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।